Going through immigration.
Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Good morning. Yes, here is my passport.
Thank you. Where are you traveling today?
I am traveling to London.
Is this your first time visiting London?
No, this is my second time.
What is the purpose of your trip?
I am going on vacation.
How long will you stay in London?
I will stay for 10 days.
Where will you stay during your visit?
I will stay at a hotel in the city center.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do.
May I see it, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I am traveling alone.
Do you have any family or friends in London?
Yes, I have a friend there.
Will you visit your friend?
Yes, I will meet him one day.
How much money are you carrying today?
About $1,000.
Do you have any food in your luggage?
No, I do not.
Are you carrying any restricted items?
No, I am not.
Did you pack your bags yourself?
Yes, I packed them myself.
Have your bags been with you all the time?
Yes, they have.
Everything looks fine.
That is good to hear.
Enjoy your trip to London.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Have a wonderful stay.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Lost items from a hotel room.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
Good afternoon. I have a problem with my room.
I am sorry to hear that. What happened?
I think some of my items are missing.
Which room are you staying in?
I'm staying in room 305.
When did you notice the missing items?
About 30 minutes ago.
What items are missing?
My watch and my phone charger.
Did you leave them in your room?
Yes, I left them on the table.
When was the last time you saw them?
This morning before breakfast.
Did anyone enter your room today?
Housekeeping cleaned my room.
I understand.
Can you help me find my items?
Yes, I will check with housekeeping.
Thank you. I am very worried.
Please do not worry. We will investigate.
I appreciate that.
Do you have a description of the watch?
Yes, it is silver with a black strap.
Thank you. That will help.
What should I do now?
Please wait in the lobby for a few minutes.
Okay, I can do that.
I will contact the staff immediately.
Thank you for your quick response.
You are welcome.
I hope we can find them.
We will do our best.
Thank you again.
My pleasure. I will update you soon. At the pet store.
Welcome to our pet store.
Thank you. I am looking for a pet.
Great. What kind of pet would you like?
I am not sure yet.
Do you prefer a dog, a cat, or a bird?
I think I like dogs.
Dogs are very friendly.
Yes, that is why I like them.
Have you owned a dog before?
No, this will be my first pet.
Then you may want a small dog.
That sounds like a good idea.
Small dogs are easier for beginners.
Which one do you recommend?
This puppy is very calm and friendly.
He looks very cute.
Many customers say that.
How old is he?
He is 4 months old.
Does he need special care?
He needs food, water, exercise, and love.
That seems simple.
He also needs regular vet visits.
Of course.
Do you have enough space at home?
Yes, I do.
That is great.
Can I play with him for a minute?
Certainly.
He is very friendly.
Yes, he enjoys meeting people.
I think he is the right pet for me.
Wonderful. I can help you with the adoption process.
Thank you very much. At the hair salon.
Welcome to the hair salon.
Thank you. I would like a haircut.
Of course. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
What kind of haircut would you like today?
I would like a short haircut.
How short would you like it?
Not too short, please.
Okay. Do you want the sides shorter?
Yes, that sounds good.
Would you like me to wash your hair first?
Yes, please.
Great. It will only take a few minutes.
Thank you.
All right, let's begin.
Great.
Is this your first visit here?
Yes, it is.
How did you find our salon?
My friend recommended it.
That is nice to hear.
He said you do a great job.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Do you have any plans after this?
Yes, I will meet some friends.
Then we will make sure you look great.
That sounds perfect.
I am almost finished.
It already feels much better.
Let me show you the back.
It looks very nice.
Would you like any changes?
No, I like it.
Wonderful. Your haircut is finished.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Have a great day.
You too. See you again. Talking about favorite foods.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
That is a popular choice.
Yes, I eat it often.
What kind of pizza do you like?
I like chicken pizza.
That sounds delicious.
What is your favorite food?
I really like pasta.
What kind of pasta do you enjoy?
I like pasta with tomato sauce.
That is very tasty.
Do you like spicy food?
A little, but not too much.
I enjoy spicy food sometimes.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
That is a healthy breakfast.
What about you?
I usually eat cereal and fruit.
That sounds good too.
What is your favorite drink?
I like orange juice.
I prefer apple juice.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I do.
What do you like to cook?
I like cooking simple chicken dishes.
Nice. I enjoy making pasta at home.
Maybe we should share recipes someday.
That sounds fun.
Food brings people together.
I completely agree.
Talking about food always makes me hungry.
Me too. Now I want a good meal.